everyone, Monica Fernandes with Evolution Essentials. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Honest Company eyeliner, lip balm, and mascara. Are they worth the money? Welcome to my channel if you're brand new, and if you're coming back, welcome back. You know I discuss things non-toxic here, essential oils, stress management, wellness, and one of the big things that I've always been looking for is non-toxic makeup. I'm going to be honest, you guys, it's been a struggle, been a huge struggle, and I'm going to tell you why. In the past years that I've looked for non-toxic makeup, it just didn't work. It didn't work. It sucked. It didn't really give me the results that I wanted to achieve with makeup. And I love makeup. I know it makes no sense because I'm all things non-toxic, but I love makeup. And that is why I'm telling you, it's just been such a huge struggle for me. So I've been experimenting with some brands, and I think that I'm going to continue doing that because I always wanted to find something better. So let's talk about the Honest Company. I bought 4 products, an eyeliner, 2 lip balms, and a mascara, because I feel that those are going to be the basic things for makeup, like the must things that you need. And you need to stick around because I'll share the cost later in the video, and I'm going to share my opinion if they're worth the money or not. So stick around. Like I said, eyes and lips. If you want to keep it simple, daytime, that's all you really need. You need just a little eyeliner, mascara in the eyes, and then a bit of lip balm. And I picked 2 colors, one that was neutral and one that was a little bit more colorful. And I'm going to show you what I thought. And I'll pause in the meantime to give you like some close-ups of the results. Right now, I'm wearing the eyeliner, and I'm going to start with the basics. So you're going to need a really clean face and a washed face and a moisturized face to do that. I am a huge believer in a skincare routine. I've been doing it since I was 16 because I had a second mom that basically taught me how to do that since I was age 16. She said, you always have to take care of your skin. So I've been doing it ever since. And if you want to find out what the best essential oils for the face are and up-level your skincare routine, watch this video right there next, and you can really look into that basic skincare care. Skincare care? Yeah, I guess. So let's think about this. What am I looking for in an eyeliner? Personally, and this is going to vary to what you want, but personally, first thing I'm looking for is color. And black is the color that I use. I don't use brown eyeliner or other colors. I will dabble with pencils with other colors, but with eyeliner, I want a black eyeliner. Simple, classic, forever classic. And what am I looking for in an eyeliner? Line thickness. It is very important. If it's going to come out a very thin line, it's going to come out a medium line, or can I build up to a thick line? I like to do a medium, so I can't have something that's really thin because that's just going to take a long time to build, and my drawing skills are not that great. So I need something that I'm not going to screw up and have to redo my eyeliner application again and again and again. So the next thing that I'm looking for is the brush. Do I want a regular brush for an eyeliner, or do I want kind of like a felt tip? I'll be honest, I don't have any drawing skills. So I prefer the felt because I feel like with the brush, I can screw up more, and I don't want to do that. So the eyeliner that Honest Company has, this, I'm going to tell you the name of this. It's called Liquid Eyeliner. Draw the line. Okay, that's cute. Draw the line. It's a high pigment payoff, and it really is. It's really black. But I'm going to review in a bit. So let's talk about what else am I looking for in my eyeliner. Staying power. I want an eyeliner that I'm going to apply in the morning, and I'm not going to need to reapply. We're talking about liquid eyeliner, you guys. We're not talking about a kohl pencil or anything like that. I'm talking about a liquid eyeliner. I like my liquid eyeliner. And then the ingredients. That's probably the most important thing. That's what I wanted to talk about, was non-toxic makeup. So those are the things that I'm looking for. In terms of a mascara, what am I looking for? Ingredients. I'm going to say that one first. I'm going to look for lengthening. Does it lengthen enough? Is it going to smudge? Is it going to just put a ton of product in the brush, and then my eyelashes are going to look like I had a really rough night and I drank a lot? I don't want to look like that. So lengthening is important, and no flaking. I don't want stuff flaking all over the place. And then it flakes, then you try to apply it again and it makes a mess because it's all hard and it flakes more. I don't want that. That's not what I'm looking for. And then color, of course. I choose black or brown black whenever it's available. This Honest Company one that I picked is black, and it's called Honestly Healthy Serum Infused Lash Tint in Good Condition. They have a sense of humor. That's all I can tell you. They really do. And the brush is very important, because if the brush is going, like I said, to put a ton of product in the brush, and then it's going to leave my eyelashes with a ton of product, I don't like that feeling. Maybe you want to look like a clown, but I don't like looking like a clown. I don't like clowns, actually. Anyway, so those are the things that I'm looking for. So we're going to be reviewing that. And then what am I looking for in a tinted lip balm? I'm looking for, obviously, the ingredients, right? So something that's non-toxic as possible. I'm looking for color. And for color, I picked two. Okay, so this tinted lip balm, it's called Lip Treat, tinted lip balm, Lip Treat. And it's antioxidant rich acai extracts plus avocado oil. And I have two colors here. One is lychee fruit and the other one is dragon fruit. The lychee fruit is a little bit of a neutral color. I'm going to show it to you like close up in a little bit. And then this dragon fruit has a little bit more pink color. So I wanted to experiment with a neutral, because you want a neutral with everything. And that's what I'm looking for in a lip balm. And the other two things I'm looking for a lip balm is staying power. I know it's not a lipstick, so it's not going to stay forever, but does it have some staying power? I'd like that. And what does it feel like? Is it hard? Is it smooth? Is it too mattifying? Not in the least. These two are not mattifying at all. They're very, very smooth. And what is the taste? Have you ever tried a lipstick and then you start doing this and you're like, oh my God, what is that taste? It's horrible. And it smells chemical, and it tastes chemical, and it tastes just horrible. I don't know. It tastes like maybe lead. I don't even know. I've never had lead, you guys. I'm just telling you, that's usually one of the culprits in the red lipstick. That's why I'm mentioning it. But you don't want any type of metals like that, especially tasting like that. I think that's really toxic. And after you've done this very simple face, the eyes and lips, because your skin's been hydrated and it's glowing, and now you put those products, you put an eyeliner, you put the mascara, and then you put the lip balm. With a lip balm, you know, you can always put an eyeliner, but I'm not reviewing any eyeliners. I will use not an eyeliner, a lip liner. The lip liner, I'm not reviewing any lip liners, but I usually tend to put some lip liners, especially as I'm getting older, and then the lip balm. But the lip balm, I'm gonna show you the result of the two, and you can judge yourself. After you've done all of that, you wanna set it. And the way to set it is with a makeup setting spray. I recommend making your own. And if you wanna do that, watch this video right here on how to make your own makeup setting spray, a non-toxic recipe. It's super, super simple, super simple. So what's the cost of each product? The liquid eyeliner, I'm going to show you the liquid eyeliner right here. It's like this, okay? And I want to show you in my hand what it does, okay? Probably not a great picture here. You can build this. Okay, pretty black. I don't know why it's so fuzzy, but I'll show you in a little bit. That's what I have on my eyes. Okay, so that's not bad, but the cost is, ready for this, $12.99. And compared to a toxic product, I'm going to tell you, I've used this, okay, from Sephora collection, colorful Wink It felt tip liquid eyeliner. That's waterproof, and that's $14. So the non-toxic option here is actually more affordable. It's worth it, completely worth it, not just for the ingredients, but the only thing that I'm going to tell you, it's not waterproof. So if you're going to cry, or if you're going to be in the rain, it's going to streak, you guys. It's going to streak. So this is for a no rain, no cry look. Okay. And then the mascara is $19.99. This is a new product. It's a new product. So this is, sorry, my green screen is screwing all of this up, but I'm going to leave pictures here and I'll link all of the links down below. I'm not getting paid for this. I don't get an affiliate commission or anything. This is an honest company review. Okay. So it's a white product, and the brush is really cool, you guys, because it's very thin. Do you see that? It's kind of out of focus, but you see that it's not like one of those thick brushes. It's not bad. It's very clean. It does not flake or anything like that. And what I like about it is the ingredients. They're clean ingredients. And how do you know it's clean ingredients? Do you know how I found these products? On the EWG Skin Deep app. So it's an app that's called Healthy Living. It has this, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to link it up for you. I'm going to show you. It has their EWG verified. So basically they've tested this product. This is the environmental working group, and it rates, you know, the worst ingredient rates 2, which is pretty green ingredient, and everything else is a 1. Yeah, it's a 1. So most of the stuff is 1, which is pretty awesome. That's why I got this idea, because I'm like, you know what, I want to try this to see if it works. So that's the mascara, and I did not cry with this, so I'm not sure if it's waterproof, but I'm going to say that probably it isn't. Okay, and I compare this with the Big by Definition Defining and Volumizing Mascara from Sephora, which is $12. So it's cheaper, but it's not clean beauty. So is this worth it? I think it is. I think that anything that's non-toxic is totally worth it. For the lip balms, okay, the lip balms, I actually, each was $8.99, and the Sephora Collection Lip Stories lip balm is $9. It's actually more. I know it's only 1 cent difference, but still. So I'm going to show you. They feel really nice. They don't have a taste. Mine's already dirty because I've already used it, but it smells very clean. It does not smell like lead or metals or anything like that. So this one, actually, I really like it. I'm going to show you what I look like after I put this in with some lip liner and without lip liner. And then this neutral one that I bought, you can barely see it in my lips because it kind of is the color, almost the color of my lips, but you see it's a, I don't know if you can see, it almost matches a little bit to my skin tone, but it's, and my nails are different colors. That's not good. Okay, here's my dirty hand, but you know what I mean. So it's got this very, very beige neutral color. I think it's worth it. I really think it's worth it. If you don't want a heavy lipstick and you want a very simple thing to have, I definitely think that it's totally worth it. So I'm going to link all of these products down below. I'm going to show you before and afters, and I'm going to show you the EWG app ratings. You can look that up. That app is free. You can download it on your phone, just look up the product, and if it's there, it's going to give you a rating. It's awesome. I love this app. So you see I have one eye that already has both eyeliner and mascara. And I'm going to try to attempt and do this in front of you. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. But here is the brush. And so it's not, I mean, it could be a little bit more perfect, but you see it's pretty pigmented. And then the mascara, you see this is the brush. It doesn't give you like those fake eyelash look. It just kind of gives a little bit of a tint. It makes it it really combs it very nicely. I don't know if you can see. And it's smooth. It's not... There you go. So here's nothing. See the difference? This lychee fruit. I'm not gonna put eyeliner. I mean lip liner. Eyeliner is already here, but lip liner doesn't need it. Very smooth, it's shiny. And there you have it. I used fractionated coconut oil to remove it. Now I'm going to use dragon fruit without any lip liner. Ready? This is the color. See the difference? Top and bottom. You really don't need lip liner. You really don't. This is very smooth. I feel like I would be placing this all the time. So if you eat, then you'll have to reapply again. But that's it. Isn't that awesome? I hope you got major value from this video. Please download down below in the description my free green cleaning guide. This is all about the non-toxic lifestyle, and I would love for you to have it. And then I would like for you to comment below if you've tried any type of clean brands that you would recommend, you know, an actual honest opinion about it. Please let me know which brands I should try next in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.